Not sure which wrist to wear your bracelets on? This is a very common question that I get when people come in and they purchase a crystal bracelet. Do I wear it on my left hand? Do I wear it on my right hand? And you hear so many people say so many different things. Well, let me clear the air. If you guys are new here, hello, my name is Cassie Causey. I am the owner of Sassy Clover, a small crystal shop located here in Wilson, North Carolina, and we explore mystical treasures, crystals, and spiritual vibes. And in today's video, we're just going to share with you our belief as to which wrist, which hand you should wear your crystal bracelets on. Before we get started, I'm going to have you do a quick little exercise. I want you to cuff your hands together. When you do that, which hand is on top? If it's your right hand, that is your dominant hand. If it's your left hand, that is your dominant hand. So here is what I believe. You release energy with your dominant hand. Whether it's your left hand or your right hand, that is your release of energy. And then the other hand, your non-dominant hand, that is the hand that you receive energy. And you hear this all the time, is that you receive with your left, you release with your right. That is not always the case with every person. Now, what do I mean by receiving and releasing? Well, we are built of energy. And when we wear crystals, we're amplifying energy, and they are providing a certain property that we may need for that day. For example, if you wear a green aventurine crystal or citrine, you might be manifesting prosperity, abundance, money. Well, if you are wanting that to come into your life, you definitely want to put it on your receiving hand so that you receive it. You don't want to be releasing that unless you are very charitable. Then, go for it. The world is your oyster. I do feel like there are truly no real rules to this. It's all about your energy and your belief. But I'm a firm believer that I receive with my left and I give with my right. Let me know in the comments what you believe. Which wrist do you wear your crystals on? If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crystal truths. And as always, stay magical.